Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In our last video class, we discussed about the introduction of arithmetic progression, general terms of the arithmetic progression, and some property particular related to the arithmetic progression. And today, in this video, we will discuss about the sum of first n term of an arithmetic progression. Okay. If we take an arithmetic progression, let this Sn is equal to means the sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression like this way. 1. Let the first term is a and the common difference is d. Then the second term is what? That will be a plus d. The third term is what? A plus 2d, and similarly the last term will be L and the second last term will be L minus d. Okay, and the third last term will be L minus 2d, like this way. Okay, and here put the plus sign here. Similarly, we can rearrange it like this way here, right? L just below this, L plus D. Then the second last term just below the second term, L minus D. Again, the third last term like this way, L minus 3D. Up to, what is this? L minus 2D. Then here it will be A. The second term will be A plus D, and here it will be A minus 2D. I think you understand what I am doing. In first case, I am just writing ascending order of the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic, this is a series because here plus sign. So here it will be A plus D, A plus 2D, like that, and just after that in descending order. Okay, if this is ascending order, then this will be descending order. And if you think that this is a descending order, this will be descending order. Okay. Now we add this. If we add, then Sn and Sn, it will be 2Sn is equal to A plus L. Okay. Again, if we add here, then D and D will be cancelled, and again we have A plus L plus. Here 2D and here it will be 2D. Okay. 2D cancel and it will be A plus L. It means in each case we find A plus L only. A plus L only. Okay. Then here A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L. How many times? N. Then it will be N into A plus L. It means here we are adding A plus L n times, then Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, here this is the formula for getting the sum of n term when the first term and the last term is given. Getting? But we also know that last term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then we can write here Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Then what happened? Look here. The Sn is what? This A and A will be 2A. It's n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Here, what is the difference between this formula and that formula? This formula we can use the last term and first term for finding the summation of the arithmetic series, and here using the first term and the number of terms and a common difference formula we can use. Okay. Now here let us take one example. If we want to add the first 50 terms or first 100 terms, then how we do? first 50 term or first 100 term. Here Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that 100. Here what is the first term? That is 1. What is the last term? That is 100. And what is the common difference? No need of common difference. I think number of terms is equal to 100. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. N by 2 means what? 100 by 2. What is a? That is 1. And here 100. Then it will be cancelled 50 times. 50 into 101. 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 0 0. And 5 ones are. This is the answer of the first 100 natural number. Sum of the first 100 natural number. If we have, so this is the answer of this question. That if the question is what is the sum of first 100 numbers, then this is the solution. If the question is if we have 1, 2, 3 up to n terms Sn, then here we have a is equal to 1, l is equal to n, then Sn is equal to 1, number of terms is equal. Number of terms is what? Number of terms is equal to n. What is the formula? N by 2 into a plus n. Okay, and here n by 2, first term is 1. And what is the last term? That is n. Then we can write n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for first n natural number. N into n plus 1 by 2. When we use this, just like here, that this is Sn. Okay. The sum of first n natural numbers. It means the sum of 1, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 to 10. What is the sum of natural number? Then S10 is equal to 10 into 11 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Regarding that formula, 10 into 11 by 2, 10, 5, 2 5 is 10, and 11 5 is 50. If you add here, then it will be simply 55. Okay? Now, let us solve some question from exercise 9.3. Here I am going to solve question number 9, which is asked in 2019. According to question, the fourth term and sixth term is given. The fourth term is 8 and the sixth term is 14. And on the basis of this, we have to find the first term, the second question, common difference, and the sum of 20 terms. The sum of the first 20 terms of this type of progression. Here we know that which formula we will use here, since we know that nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, try to understand. Here n, then n minus 1. It means if here 5, then it will be 5 minus 1. Means a plus 5 minus 1, 4. It means if here a 5, then it will be a plus 4d. If a 5, then a plus 4d. Okay, then if a 4, then it will be a plus 3d. A 6, then its value will be a plus 5d. Very simple. Okay, let us do. What is given? A4 a plus 3d is equal to a4. This implies that a plus 3d is equal to 8. This is the equation first. Okay. Similarly, on the basis of this, we can write a and a plus 5d is equal to 14. That is second. Now subtract here minus minus minus, then they will be cancelled. Okay, and 3d minus 5d minus 2d, and here equal to, that will be minus 6, then d is equal to minus 6 by minus 2, that is 3. Value of d is equal to 3. Okay, now put the value of d in equation first. Put d is equal to 3 in first. If you put in first, then it will be a plus 3d, and what is d? That is 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 8. Then what is the value of a? 8, and here 3 is a 9. If it will be transferred to that side, it will be minus 9. Its value will be minus 1. Okay, it means the first term is what? Minus 1. The common difference is what? That is 3. Now we want to find the S1. S1. We have the third one. S1. We know that, since we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And here we know that what is the value of n? Value of n is what? 20. Okay, so it will be 20 by 2, and here 2, and what is the value of a? Value of a we just calculate, that is minus 1. Value of a is minus 1 plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 d. What is d? The d is 3. Common difference is 3. Okay, calculate, and it will be 10, and here minus 2, and plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 3. Okay, then 10 minus 2 plus 57. Okay, 57. Here 10 into 57 minus 2, that will be 55, and finally answer will be 550. Therefore, what do you write answer? First, a is equal to minus 1. Second, d is equal to 3. And the third one is what? S20, means sum of first 20, that is 5, 5, 6. This is the answer of the question. Question number 9. Now, question number 10, second part, which is asking 2018. Okay, 2018. The second part, according to this question, the fourth term of an AP is 22. Fourth term, A4 is equal to 20. Okay, and 15th term is 66. A15 term is equal to 66. Fourth term is 22 and 15th term is 66. And the first, find the first term and the common difference. Okay, and hence find the sum of first 8 term of the AP, means we have to find S8 also. We have to find S8. Okay, then how we do? The same method, whatever you are doing, whatever we are using in question number 9 of the question, whatever asking 2019, same method we also use here. We have A4 means what? A4 means what? A4 means A plus 3D. Okay, here A4 is what? 22. So we can write here A plus 3D is equal to 22. That this is equation first. Similarly, A15 given, then we can write A plus 14D is equal to 66. Question 7. Now use the same method and try to find the value of A and D. And then after finding the value of first term and common difference, here use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can get. So here for this question, the number of n is equal to 1. 8. The value of a and d will be that whatever we are getting from this equation. Okay. In this way, according to revisor syllabus after class 10, the portion of the arithmetic progression over geometric progression is not in your syllabus. Okay. And if you have doubt, then you can ask. In our next video class, we will discuss about the reflection. Okay. Thank you.